What if Toyota could bottle up 60 years of automotive legend and pour it into a brand new machine? That is exactly what is happening right now, and if you love cars the way we do, this one is going to give you chills. The 2027 Toyota 2000 GT is not just a car, it is a resurrection, a tribute, and a statement to the entire automotive world that Japan has never lost its soul. Let's go back to where it all started. In 1967, Toyota unveiled something nobody expected, a low-slung, beautifully crafted sports coupe that stopped the world in its tracks. At a time when European brands owned the supercar conversation, Toyota walked in with the 2000 GT and changed everything. With its flowing bodywork, pop-up headlights, and a hand-built 2.0-liter DOHC inline-six, it was Japan's answer to the Jaguar E-Type. Only 337 units were ever made, which means owning one today will cost you north of $1 million. Carroll Shelby himself was so impressed he raced them in SCCA competition. One even starred alongside James Bond. The 2000 GT was not just a car, it was a cultural moment. Fast forward to today, and Toyota is writing a new chapter. Meet the spiritual successor that the world has been waiting for. The 2027 Toyota GR GT draws direct inspiration from that 1967 icon, and Toyota has been proudly advertising it alongside the 2000 GT and the legendary Lexus LFA. That connection is no accident. Toyota wants you to understand the bloodline. This is a halo car built with the same intention as the original, to prove that Toyota can build something breathtaking. Now let's talk about what is under that gorgeous long hood. Toyota has developed a dry-sumped twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing a staggering 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This is Toyota's first ever hot V engine design, with the twin turbochargers nestled between the cylinder banks for maximum efficiency and minimum lag. Power goes through an 8-speed transaxle mounted at the rear axle via a carbon fiber torque tube. There is also a front-mounted electric motor to fill torque and sharpen throttle response, making this a proper hybrid performance machine. Top speed is rated at over 199 miles per hour, and Toyota has confirmed the numbers could improve even further before production begins. Let that sink in. Over 641 horsepower, and they are not done yet. The engineering philosophy behind this car is extraordinary. 3 pillars guided every decision: a low center of gravity, lightweight construction with maximum rigidity, and aerodynamics first. Aerodynamic engineers who worked on Toyota's FIA World Endurance Championship race cars were directly involved. The exterior design was actually decided second, after the aerodynamic form was determined. That kind of discipline produces something exceptional. The result is a car that measures just 1,195 millimeters tall, making it one of the most dramatically low-slung Grand Tours on the planet. The occupants sit so low their center of gravity nearly matches the car's own. Inside, Toyota obsessed over every detail. Gauge width, display positioning, outward visibility, nothing was left to chance. The cockpit is driver-focused but not claustrophobic. There is a clear spiritual connection to that rosewood-dashed, hand-built 1967 original. But everything around you is cutting-edge and purposeful. Production is set to begin around 2027, and the car will be sold through select Lexus dealerships, positioning it as the flagship of Toyota's entire performance lineup. This is not a limited-run concept that will gather dust in a museum. This is a real car, built for real roads, carrying the full weight of Toyota's greatest performance legacy. The original 2000 GT proved that Japanese engineers could compete with anyone on the planet. 6 decades later, the 2027 GR GT is ready to make that statement all over again. In a world flooded with crossovers and SUVs, Toyota is reminding us what a pure sports car feels like when it is built by people who genuinely care. This is more than horsepower and lap times. This is passion, heritage, and precision wrapped in one of the most beautiful machines Toyota has ever created. The legend never died. It just got faster.